Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Fanyil BunnyPal review. Does it work or is it a scam? Today, we're taking a closer look at the viral Fanyil BunnyPal, an interactive toy that's been getting a lot of attention online, marketed as a lifelike robotic bunny that hops, wiggles its ears, and reduces children's screen time. It certainly sounds appealing, but is it truly what it claims to be? Many customers report that instead of a sophisticated robotic toy, they receive nothing more than a basic plush bunny with no interactive features at all. Red flags include misleading marketing using AI generated videos, unrealistic discount with limited time offers, and a lack of company details on the official site. Reviews on platforms like Amazon echoed the disappointment, with users describing the product as cheaply made, noisy, and nothing like the promotional footage. With so many complaints and clear discrepancies, it's safe to say this toy doesn't live up to the hype. Always be cautious, research thoroughly, and check real customer reviews before making your purchase. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.